the sub, so the sealed section's right here, and the ported section. Looks good. I like it. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Nice. So could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here for the video?
We only have one battery, so we need one more battery.
Oh, your voltage is okay. 11.9. Yeah, voltage issues. What's your name, man?
My name is Mario.
Mario, Jacob.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you for showing me, man.
Follow your page.
Yes, sir.
Great job all the time.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Is this like a blow through or?
Yes, a blow through.
Okay. So what kind of subs and amps is this?
I got 212 deep bounce.
Okay. Nice. On the 6K.
6K, yeah. So definitely need more power on the battery.
Yes. Do you have any output alternator? High output alternator
Yeah,
yet?
I got the Beckman 370.
Okay.
I'm going to put maybe 2 more batteries and 1 more alternator.
You probably do good with just 2 more of those batteries. I wouldn't even get another alt. You'd be fine. Unless you do more power.
I'm going to put more like speakers on the top. I'm going to put like.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm going to go look at the back real quick.
Alright.
See how the box looks. This looks really good. Who built it? You did. All right. Nice job. I like that you can actually see into it, the sub, so the sealed section's right here, and the ported section. Looks good. I like it. Thank you for showing me. Sorry.
Mario. I'm from Illinois, Chicago.
Every lyric, every bass note,
And
clean. Sounds good.
Power, we only have one battery, so I need one more battery.
Oh, your voltage is okay. 11.9. Yeah, voltage issues. What's your name, man?
My name is Mario.
Mario. Jacob.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you for showing me, man.
Follow you.
Sounds really good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.